Welcome back. ATS officials from Pune interrogated Narayan Bashir Singh Janala as the live bullets recovered from him are similar to the ones used to murder activist Narendra Dabholkar in Pune. Janala was initially nabbed by Goa cops in the kidnapping case at Kurti Khandepar on Monday. ATS Pune are interrogating him with the hope of breakthrough in the Dabholkar murder case. Janala hails from Pune.
Accused Narayan Bashir Singh Janala was arrested on Monday. He was arrested in a kidnapping case at Kurti Khandepar. It was a kidnapping bid of a newly married Vishwakarma couple hailing from Pune. Police foiled it and had confiscated a gun and live bullets from Janala. During further verifications and investigation, Ponda police realized that the caliber of the gun and bullets were matching with one used for murdering anti-superstition activist Narendra Dabholkar.
Narayan चलान म्हणून तेका 7 days रिमांड मेळ्ळा. ते 7.65 कॅलिबराचे अशें कळ्ळें आमकां. आनी सो मागीर आमच्या लक्षांत अशें येयलें की दाबोलकर नरेंद्र दाबोलकर यांची हत्या जाली तेन्ना तितून सिमिलर टायप ऑफ एम्युनिशन यूज जाल्लें. सो आमी तेच्या ATS आनी क्रायम ब्रांचेकय कॉन्टेक्ट केले की
Pune ATS is down in Goa to interrogate Janala in connection with Dabholkar murder case. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Draft of lease deed for the Panji market tenants is approved. Mayor Surendra Furtado said that CIAA proposal for hosting festivities during IFFI 2013 is under consideration. The city corporation will now accept house tax payments through HDFC Net Banking and at the counter of IndusInd Bank.
Draft of the lease deed for the market tenants has been approved with one or two minor changes. Then also I will speak with my special market committee people and my legal advisors, and if necessary will do the changes. Then you know that now CIA is doing a presentation because they want to have a festival during the IFFI. So let them show the presentation and then we'll come back to them. The opposition can't see the development which I am doing in the corporation and also outside in the city. One, Vaidevi Naik has been shouting that I have not opened the gutters in a ward. If I have not opened the gutters in a ward, how did Panjim not flood? She has been a failure during her term. She doesn't know what she speaks. Because she has to speak, she speaks. She has no base, A and a B, what she speaks. HDFC Bank will be collecting house tax to net banking. Okay. And IndusInd Bank will be, they have got a counter in the CCP and they counter in all the branches. So people can go to the branches and pay the thing.
A cable operator from Vasco died on the spot after he fell down from 5th floor of a building. He was repairing cable on the complaint of a customer. He was working on a 5-story building without any safety precautions and tools.
Ashok Chitrai, aged 28, a cable operator from Vasco, died on the spot after he fell down from 5th floor. The incident took place at Dempo ODC building in Vasco. He was repairing cable on complaint by a viewer.
जोशाचे कंप्लेंट असलेले ते कंप्लेंटा लागून येल्लो ताका केबल ट्रेस करपा म्हणून आपयल्ले ताका तो पत्र्याचे वयर चडलो तो पडलो तो
हांव घरा कडेन कंप्युटरार बसलो इतक्यान म्हाजी भावाची बायल येयली भावाची बायल्यान परत धांवन घरान गेली सकयल म्हणूं लागलो कोण तरी पडला वयरसून पत्र्या वयरसून पूण हांव पळोवंक सकयल येयलो पळय जाल्यार डेड बॉडी एक सकयल आसलेली म्हणून हांवें वयर पळयलें जाल्यार प्लास्टीकचो आमचो पत्रो आहा तो फुटलेलो आहा म्हणल्यार कदाचित थंयच्यानूच तो वयर चडला तेन्ना प्लास्टीकच्या पत्र्यार तेन्ना पांय दवरला तेन्ना पडलो आसतलो तो केबल सारको करूंक येयल्लो म्हूण आयकल्लें.
Vasco police conducted Panchnama and body has been sent for post-mortem. However, the cable operator was working on 5-storied building without any safety tools and precautions. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.